Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Grapevine Elementary School in Vista, California, home of the Grizzlies, outside of one of their sculptures outside here, the Grizzly Bear, Grizzly Pride, right? And today's focus for the AM PM after school program, been here a couple times before, and this is my second visit for their school year. You might see this balloon in my hand too, but it ties into today's theme, which was leadership, turning our passion into our purpose. And we're talking about being a strong leader, someone that's not like a balloon. Someone that's a balloon is just kind of going with the flow, doesn't really stand for something, doesn't really have like a strong foundation or all the character traits that we talk about here at this elementary and so many others across this country that I have the opportunity to speak at. But this person, again, just not really a strong foundation, and they might, be affected by peer pressure, especially negative type, where someone's asking them to do something that's not right. But again, because they don't have those strong morals and backbone, like a bear, strong, like the strength of a grizzly bear, right? They may just follow that, right? Even though it's not the right thing to do. But someone that's a bowling ball, I wasn't going to lift that up for this video, but someone that's not like a balloon, but like a bowling ball, right? There's someone that's going to go farther in life. They're going to, have that respect from their peers. They're going to have that self-respect. And it's something that, they can really build on, right? That they can hopefully create that energy around them that other people are going to want to pick up that torch to be a positive leader as well. Because this world needs a lot more positive leaders, on this planet especially. And that really ties into, too, the shirt that I wear for this particular assembly. It's the multicolor peace sign. There's different colors because there's so many different ways to be a leader, right? Some of us lead with our voice. We're loud vocal leaders like myself. I talk a lot. Some of us lead more quietly, have that quiet strength, lead by example. There's no right way or wrong way to be a leader as long as we're making sure that we're doing it in that positive manner. And, for me too, when we're talking about passion and purpose, the sub-theme of this particular program, that means that what we love to do, our gifts, our talents, our abilities, what we're good at, that we really use those to start helping people even at a young age. Like Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. had said, the most important question in life is, what are you doing for others, right? What are you doing to make a difference? And like the story of the starfish too, every action, no matter how small, can make a difference, right? Just that one little thing that you do could impact someone else to go do something else, and then that they do something else, it just keeps growing and growing and growing. And that's what we really reinforced today with the message, through the different inspirational videos, through the positive music, the hand motion rap, the Be a Leader rap at the end, some of the physical props, the tangible visual aids that everyone saw, I think helped to also hammer the points home. But again, it's so awesome for me to see the growth each time I get to visit these schools again and again. And a lot of them that are, just coming up and saying that what you said touched my heart, and that they really want to make a difference, that they really have the heart to want to be all in, to want to be a part of this planet and really, be a part of like a change for the better, right? Not only in their school culture and climate, but with everyone around them. So that's always awesome to see that people are willing to put people first and things second, to not just do things for the trophy, things that you might not always get paid for, right? But you're still doing what's right. And even when no one's looking, and always thinking about what you want to be remembered for, which is your legacy, hopefully like someone's helping hands. So thanks for touching my heart. Remember our helping hands too, the M on all of our hands for miracle, upside down W for worthy, and have a happy Halloween. Thanks for letting me talk with you again, and we'll see you again in 2024. Until then, as always, make sure the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. Feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.